Hello, my name is Dr. Vidhi Jain and I'm from Surat. I joined Aesthetic World course few days back, and today is like the last day and certification ceremony, and I really want to give honest feedback to you. There is no one pushing me to say this, but really Dr. Avni Kabaria is your mentor. Even if you're a beginner or you're advanced learner, whatever stage you are at, please come over here because you are going to get that insight. Sometimes you get stuck. What's new in the market? What we need to learn more, because cosmetology is like booming branch and it changes every single day. So it's better to have an insight from an experienced mentor, and Dr. Avni is that mentor. So please come over here. So this is like the mentorship part. Coming to hands-on, the hands-on is brilliant and you'll be tiresome at the end of the day. You'd be like, I am done, please can we shift it tomorrow, and all of that, because really there's like endless patients coming in. You would be tired, but patients are still there. So your hands-on has to it's the best part of this course. And third thing, the guidance you get, what all to look into the machines while you're buying, which machines to buy, what all you can include, what is necessary, what is not necessary, all these, an honest opinion they'll give you. And Dr. Avni has given me that honest opinion that, Vidhi, it's fine if you don't buy this, it's okay if you have this, you should invest in these kind of things. So that is the major part, like they're honest, transparent and to the point. So yes, whosoever is looking forward, I definitely recommend, and I am being genuine. Nobody is pushing me to do that. So thank you so much.